Hi, today I'm going to show you the unboxing and first use of this Philips induction cooker Viva collection, and the model number is HD4938. This is one of the top end induction stoves available in India at the moment. It's from the house of Philips. It's an induction cooker, and it has got several modes. I'll be showing you all that. Now, this is the box. I purchased it in Chennai directly in the shop, Philips showroom. You can also get it online. And at this year end, there are discounts available up to 30%, and you can get this. An induction stove is a very convenient way of cooking food. So I'm going to now show you the unpacking of this stove. So this is the package. I'm opening the lid, and here it comes. This is the packaging. I just throw it aside. We'll keep it aside for the time being. Inside the container, you have Philips user manual, and this is probably a warranty card. So this is the user manual. There are 8 preset cooking modes: manual, roti, dosa, gravy, slow cook, stir fry, pressure cook, deep fry, and milk water. So this is the induction stove. There is an inner circle here and an outer circle. All the modes of cooking are given here. You have a manual, gravy, roti, dosa, milk water, 6, 7. 8 modes of cooking are available on the top. There is a child lock facility. You can increase or decrease the power by pressing one of these buttons. And this is the on off button, and this is the pause button. So these are all various modalities available. I will show you all the modalities one by one. You can see these 2 circles. One is an inner circle. That means the smallest diameter of utensil which can be kept on this is around 12 centimeter. This inner diameter is 12 centimeter, and the outer diameter is 20 centimeter. So any vessel, any flat bottom vessel, heavy vessel with a magnetic bottom measuring between 12 centimeter and 20 centimeter can be kept safely on this vessel. I'll show you some induction safe utensils. So these are a couple of utensils. This is a saucepan with a handle. It's a heavy bottom, and if I place a magnet on it, it will stick to this. And this has got a flat surface, and the diameter is probably around more than 12 centimeter, definitely. This is one. So you can use this for boiling milk, making tea or coffee, or making any soup on the induction stove. Another is this one. This is a saucepan. You can use it for sauteing vegetables or making shallow frying anything. Again, it has got a flat bottom, heavy bottom, magnetic. It's made up of stainless steel. So these are the type of utensils you are supposed to cookware. These are the type of cookware you are supposed to use on this induction stove. Now I will set up this induction stove and show you a simple menu or boiling milk in it or heating up milk. So there are 8 cooking modes in this induction stove: manual, roti, dosa, gravy, slow cook, stir fry, pressure cook, deep fry, and milk and water. All these presets are available on the top of the induction itself. You have to just press one of them and you can rest assured that the milk or whatever is frying will not be overcooked. The magnet works without fail, and there are no ups and downs leading to fluctuations. So you don't have to do anything. There's a constant heat which is transmitted from the induction stove to the utensil and then to the food. So food will not get burnt if you have chosen the preset carefully and keyed in the correct time for cooking. So the default cooking times maximum is 180 minutes for gravy, and the shortest cooking time is 30 minutes. The induction stove should be placed on a flat surface. I'll show you how it is placed, and there should be 10 centimeter gap between the wall and the back of the stove, and also on the sides. Now I'm going to take you to my kitchen where I'm going to boil or heat up some milk and then later on make tea. So let's head out to my kitchen. So you should keep the vessel on the induction stove. I've poured in milk here, and then I press the on off button. I press the preset for milk and water, and pressing it twice will take it to sim and then boil. The maximum time for this mode, particular preset, is 45 minutes. 1 minute has elapsed now. This milk is going to boil within 1 or 2 minutes. Handle is, you can touch the handle, you can touch the vessel also, it doesn't heat up. There you can see steam. This milk is getting heated, and it takes much less time to boil milk on the induction stove. Of course, you have to stay close by with all electrical appliances, including a microwave and an induction stove. You have to keep a constant vigil and observe the contents. And in case it starts to boil over, then you press this off button to switch it off. Because I've had an instance where the water just boiled up while I was making soup, and it fell onto this surface, and there was a short circuit, and I had to dispose of the previous induction stove. That's why I purchased this new induction stove after about 4-5 months now, and I am taking extreme care to follow the instructions in the instruction manual. I will be preparing more and more dishes on the induction stove. The advantage of an induction stove is that it takes much shorter time to cook food, and there is no mess involved, and it probably would be less expensive also. You can see that the milk is now starting to boil. You can feel the heat here. So when it does boil over, I will press this pause button, and then I'll press the pause button and then press the on off button. If you feel that it's taking too slow, then you can increase the power by pressing the plus button. Now you can see that the milk is boiling definitely. So stop, it didn't spill over, and milk is ready to made into tea. You can see the boiling milk over there, and that's it. So after cooking is over, switch off the power socket and remove this from the socket and leave it outside. When there are too many electrical utensils, one should be careful that this wire doesn't actually fall on the induction stove itself. The induction stove didn't get hot. See, I'm able to touch the induction stove. It's not hot at all. Even on the magnetic portion also, I'm touching the magnetic portion. There is no heat now. You can remove this utensil and put it aside. And now I am ready to make tea. So when you start using the induction stove, you will appreciate the speed. The direct heating method of the magnetic field doesn't fluctuate. So you can maintain a steady simmer without burning the food. With induction cooking, you don't have to spend too much time cleaning up, as we just saw. Since the cooktop itself doesn't get hot, it's easy to clean. Once in a while, you have to take a wet cloth and gently wipe it. And particularly if there are any spills on this, you should be careful not to cause anything to spill on the induction stove, as that can lead to a short circuit. But if it does happen, wipe it dry. You can do it immediately after the cooking. Be safe to unplug the induction stove after cooking itself. Use the child lock mode when you have children around in the house by pressing the plus and the minus button simultaneously. After that, when you use the child lock mode, if there is a child in the house, it comes and presses the button, nothing is going to happen to it. So I'll make more dishes with the induction stove and I'll get back to you. I'll post more videos while I'm cooking dishes with the induction stove. So if you want to see those videos, stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and pressing the bell icon below. Like this video, share this video. I'll see you in further videos. Cheers.